show you how to make flower origami. Let's play cut paper. Look, this flower. It's 5 petals. It's 5 petals too. It's 6 petals. This more one. Do you know how to make them?
Miu, do you know how to make them?
Yes.
Good. Let's make them together, Miu.
Okay.
What do you need to prepare?
Origami, pen, and scissors.
Good. First, we make 5 petal one.
Okay. Fold it in half like this and fold it in half like this to make mark like this and split. Fold it in half to make a mark again like this and split.
Fold it so that this mark and this mark are connected like this. This mark reaches this line like this.
And fold it and fold it, fold it, fold it. Done. This is foundation for 5 petals. 5 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Next, we make 6 petals one. The method of making is almost the same as the first.
First, fold it in half like this, just like the first, and fold it in half like this to make mark like this, and split. Fold it in half to make mark again like this, and split. Fold it in half to make mark and split.
Fold it so that this mark and this mark are connected like this. This mark reaches to this line.
And fold it, fold it, fold it, fold it, fold it. Done. This is foundation for 6 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good. Now we draw flower picture on this page like this.
And after drawing, cut it along the line.
Okay, now we are cutting. Next, Let's make another one with more petals. Please prepare origami again. The folding method is a little different from before. Now, draw flower picture on this base. Like this. And cutting it along this line. And split.
Kopiat. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you.